Dear students, today we'll try to understand how these components of vectors are calculated. Okay, so suppose if I take some force and let us say F, this is called horizontal angle. Then X component will be, it will be in this direction, and Y component will be in this direction. Okay, so Fx will be F cos theta, that is Fy will be F sin theta. Now the force can be in any quadrant. Okay, so we'll just write the quadrants here: 1, 2, 3 and 4. In the first quadrant, cos is positive, sin is positive. Second quadrant, that means x component is positive here, positive here. Second quadrant, this x component will be negative and y component will be positive because sin is positive and cos is negative. Third quadrant, both will be negative. And fourth quadrant, x component will be positive and y component will be negative. This is the sign convention you have to follow. Let us say if in some other problem they give you vertical angle, okay, they give you vertical angle, then in that situation you just for the x component swap, write it here f sin theta, x component will be f sin theta and y component will be f cos theta. Remaining everything remains same to same. The sign conventions will not change, they will remain same to same. Okay then, take care, bye bye.